To start or stop Machine Debug Manager service in Windows 10 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then click or tap Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services and then scroll down Services screen. Find Machine Debug Manager and then right-click on Machine Debug Manager. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. Support local and remote debugging for Visual Studio and Script Debugger. If the service is stopped, the debuggers will not function properly. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.